because it's going to ship to our customers in Egypt. So it's already right here and going to be shipped. And do you know what is this? This is a meter counting printer. It has functions of printing and also have the functions of meter counting. So it has double functions. And it mainly used for the big, large size cables. Yes, you can see right here.
好，没了吗？
Hello, this is the extrusion line of lighting model type. And our engineer is assembling the machines right now. Here are some apparatus to measure the horizontal levels of the machine. It's very useful. And this one is the injection machine. It can add one more colors to the wires. So if you want to make two colors, you need to add one of these machines beside the main post. And do you see the wheel right here? Yeah, you can adjust the height of this injection machine by adjusting this. This one is smaller than that one, so this is the 70 type of extrusion line. All of those extrusion lines are going to export to Egypt, Indonesia, India, and Turkey.